Hi, my name is Jeff from QualityDoor.com, and today we want to review with you and go over the SARGENT 10G37 Grade 1 lock, and we also want to explain to you what is a classroom function and how does it work. So 10G37 classroom lock, why do they call it a classroom? What does it have to do with the classroom? Let's go over it. So 10G37 classroom lock, teacher comes in the morning, he or she can simply unlock the lever, and as kids come in the classroom throughout the day, the door will be a passage set, active latching, where you can get in and out, free passage. Teacher goes to lunch or faculty meeting and doesn't want kids wandering down the hallway, entering the classroom. They simply lock the lever, leave, and a kid wandering down the hallway can't get in. But if the kid gets trapped in the closet or in the bathroom, they can always get outside. So the inside is always freewheeling. So that's a classroom function, Grade 1 SARGENT 10G37. And in the next video, we're actually going to link it below. We're going to go over the intruder function on how it works with the classroom. It's a classroom intruder. But in case, God forbid, of an active shooter or protecting kids from the inside, it's actually a lock. You're able to lock from the inside. So that we'll go over. So there you go. 10G37, L design. So straight lever in with the return, L rows, 10G37 lock. This is a Grade 1, meets Grade 1 standards. And in my opinion, this is the best lock in the industry. SARGENT is the best Grade 1 lock. So there you go, 10G37 classroom function lock. Click below to subscribe or follow us on our social channels. And remember, we have the 10G37 and the Intruder series linked below, and we'll be making that video soon. Thank you and have a great day.